Adùn Yorùbá.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Yorùbá Ládùn. Abala tí a wà yìí ni à ń pè ní ìlú ọgbọ́n, níbi tí a ti ń fi ìlú bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ tó ní làákàyè nínú, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní kìmí nínú. Tó ọ̀rọ̀ tòní ó lọ báyìí wípé níre níre ire ni mò ń wá, ire wọlé dé, tèmi dire. Bẹ́ẹ̀dì yẹn fẹsẹ̀ tọlẹ̀, ire ló ń wá ire. So, òun náà lẹ ti gbọ́ òun. The literal meaning to the sound of drums I just heard simply saying, as humans, when we go out there in search of things to better our lives, we go about our different jobs, or what we want is to make ends meet. We're in search of things that can make us that can make us better versions of ourselves. As we go out there in search of things to make us become great in life, may we not encounter things that will destroy our lives.
Adùn Yorùbá.